Welcome to our video guide on Charleston, South Carolina. We will explore this beautiful city where history, nature, and flavor meet the sea, offering you an insider's look at one of America's most storied destinations. The best way to experience Charleston is through the eyes of the locals. This guide is built on insider wisdom, from the quiet streets they wander to the best spots to watch the sunset over the marshes. Charleston is uniquely positioned between the Ashley and Cooper rivers. With barrier islands like the Isle of Palms framing the coast, its landscape is defined by tidal creeks and harbor views unlike anywhere else. For your first walk, head to the City Market area and the famous King Street corridor. These walkable zones are rich with history and showcase the vibrant energy that makes this city so special. The historic City Market dates back to the 1700s. Spanning 4 blocks, it hosts over 300 entrepreneurs, including master sweetgrass weavers. It is the perfect place to connect with the local community. Don't miss Rainbow Row, home to 13 beautiful Georgian-style houses, or the Battery, where you can walk along the seawall, admire historic mansions, and look out toward Fort Sumter. A horse-drawn carriage ride is a wonderful, charming way to see the city. Licensed guides will share stories of Charleston's history, from colonial times to its modern revival. Founded in 1670, Charleston remains one of the oldest cities in the South. Much of its original layout has survived, making every block a lesson in history you can experience while walking. Early Charleston was actually a fortified, walled city. While the walls are gone, you can still find traces of their influence today in the city's unique street grid and hidden alleys. For a great route, start at Meeting and Cumberland Streets to see where the old city walls stood. Walk toward the historic Powder Magazine, then wander through the lovely French Quarter. St. Philip's Church is a local landmark built between 1835 and 1838. Its design and placement were carefully chosen to maintain the character of the neighborhood, a tradition that stands today. Charleston's history is deeply tied to key conflicts. 2 major sites to visit are Fort Moultrie, known for its role in the American Revolution, and Fort Sumter, where the Civil War began. Fort Moultrie was famous for its defense in 1776, when its palmetto log walls absorbed British cannonballs. This victory was so significant that the palmetto tree became the state symbol of South Carolina. The story of Fort Moultrie is one of resilience. It has been destroyed, rebuilt, and repurposed through centuries of conflict, and today it serves as a fascinating national monument for visitors. Finally, you can reach Fort Sumter by ferry from Liberty Square. It is the site where the Civil War started in 1861, and the journey across the harbor provides a meaningful perspective on its history. Now, let's explore the Lowcountry shoreline. This isn't just an amenity, it's a way of life. Whether you choose Folly Beach, Isle of Palms, Sullivan's Island, or Kiowa, each offers a unique coastal experience. Pick your mood. Folly Beach is laid back and bohemian. Isle of Palms offers family-friendly resort vibes. Sullivan's Island is a quiet, historic retreat, and Kiowa Island provides a pristine, private sanctuary. The Isle of Palms features 7 miles of pristine beach and the Wild Dunes Resort, home to championship golf courses designed by Tom Fazio. It is an excellent destination for families and leisure. Sullivan's Island is rich in history, from the reconstructed Fort Moultrie to its connection to the International African American Museum. Its beaches are known for being peaceful and uncrowded. In Mount Pleasant, you can walk or cycle across the iconic cable-stayed Ravenel Bridge for incredible skyline views, or head to Shem Creek to enjoy fresh seafood and watch local fishing boats. Beyond the peninsula, explore North Charleston's growing brewery scene, the historic Ashley River Road Plantation District, or plan your stay based on the length of your trip to maximize your exploration. Travel down Ashley River Road to see historic estates like the Magnolia Plantation, which offers beautiful gardens and deep context on the region's history, and the Aiken Rhett House for a preserved look at the past. Mount Pleasant is more than a gateway. Visit the historic Old Village with its beautiful cottages, or tour the USS Yorktown at Patriots Point to learn about naval history in the harbor. Each barrier island has a personality. Whether you are seeking the history of Sullivan's Island, the resort amenities of the Isle of Palms, or the surf culture of Folly Beach, you are never far from adventure. Charleston, the holy city, is defined by its skyline of historic church steeples. Landmarks like St. Philip's and Mother Emanuel AME Church stand as powerful symbols of the city's resilience and faith. Lowcountry cuisine is a tapestry of African, Caribbean, and European traditions. Don't leave without trying local shrimp and grits, and explore Upper King Street for the city's celebrated modern culinary scene. Eat like a local by venturing into neighborhoods like Cannonboro for authentic flavors, seeking out traditional Gullah Geechee dishes, or visiting on the second Sunday of the month for street-wide festivities. Nature is everywhere. Experience the unique scent of pluff mud, support conservation through local eco-tours, or catch glimpses of dolphins and alligators in the tidal creeks and riverbanks. For true wilderness, visit Capers or Bulls Island. These untouched frontiers offer primitive camping and wildlife sanctuaries, accessible by boat or ferry for those seeking a deeper connection to nature. Modern Charleston balances its rapid growth with the preservation of its heritage. Enjoy the art galleries on Broad Street and explore the South of Broad neighborhood to see the city's beautifully preserved history. Finding your own pace in Charleston is the key to a memorable trip. Whether you prefer a structured itinerary or spontaneous wandering, 3 to 4 days is ideal. Be sure to leave some time to explore the city's hidden alleys and beautiful private gardens. To make the most of your visit, keep a few practical tips in mind. Explore the culinary scene without hesitation. Wear comfortable shoes for those historic cobblestone streets, and use the central garages to simplify your parking. For a unique perspective of the region, try walking the pedestrian path on the Ravenel Bridge, experience the city from above on a helicopter tour, or travel between the harbor's many landings via the scenic water taxi. Respecting the history of Charleston is essential to the experience. Engage with the complex narratives of the city, including visiting the International African American Museum at Gadsden's Wharf to honor the full story of this place. Charleston is a place of contrasts, where deep history meets a vibrant, living community. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Lowcountry. We hope you leave with a deeper appreciation for the Holy City. This program was brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Fun Travel Adventure series.